Imagine watching an eagle grab an animal that weighs several times more than its own prey normally does. There is no hesitation, no negotiation, no mercy. 1 second, the animal is moving normally. The next, a shadow drops from the sky. Talons strike, and suddenly the entire landscape becomes a battlefield. But here's the part that makes eagle hunting truly fascinating. An eagle isn't being cruel. It isn't angry. It isn't hunting because it enjoys violence. It is following an ancient biological program that has been refined over millions of years. Every dive, every grip, every bite, and even the decision to abandon. A hunt can mean the difference between surviving another day or starving. And some eagles have developed hunting techniques so extreme that they almost look impossible. They can attack from above. They can steal food from other predators. Some can hunt fish from the surface of the water. Others can carry surprisingly heavy prey through the air. And when food is scarce, their instincts can become even more ruthless. 1. The weapon that makes the kill. Forget the beak for a moment. The real weapon of an eagle isn't its mouth. It's the feet. An eagle's talons are specialized for grabbing, restraining, and killing prey. When an eagle dives toward an animal, its feet can suddenly extend forward. Then, clamp. The prey is trapped. The incredible part is that the eagle doesn't need to wrestle its victim like a human would. Its anatomy does most of the work. The curved talons can hook into prey while powerful leg and foot muscles maintain the grip. This is why an eagle can grab slippery fish, struggling mammals, or birds in midair. Think about trying to hold a fish with your bare hands while it violently twists away. Now imagine doing that while flying. That is essentially the problem an eagle's body evolved to solve. And there is another advantage. The talons aren't all identical. Different species have different proportions and hunting strategies. A fish-eating eagle needs feet adapted for grabbing slippery prey. A forest eagle hunting mammals and birds needs a different combination of grip, reach, and maneuverability. So when you look at an eagle's feet, you're not just looking at claws. You're looking at millions of years of evolutionary engineering. 2. The eagle doesn't always kill with one bite. Here's something people often misunderstand about eagle attacks. The dramatic strike isn't necessarily the end. Sometimes, the most important part comes after the grab. Once the eagle has secured its prey, it has to control the struggle. A frightened animal can fight back. It can bite, scratch, kick, or simply escape. So the eagle's first priority is often control. The bird uses its feet and body position to keep the prey from escaping while reducing the risk of injury to itself. And this explains why eagle hunting can look so intense. You're not watching random aggression. You're watching a highly specialized predator managing risk. Because an injured eagle has a serious problem. It can't simply go to a hospital. It can't call another eagle for help. If its wing or foot is badly damaged, its ability to hunt can collapse. So every hunt contains a hidden calculation. Is this prey worth the risk? That calculation is one reason predators sometimes abandon attacks. Humans see an eagle suddenly fly away and think, why did it give up? But the eagle may have decided that continuing the fight costs more energy or carries more danger than the potential meal is worth. In nature, walking away can be just as intelligent as attacking. 3. The eagle's eyes are basically a hunting computer. Now look at the eagle's eyes. They may appear beautiful, but to potential prey, they are terrifying. Eagles are famous for their exceptional vision. Their eyes are large relative to their heads, and their retinas contain a very high density of photoreceptors. That allows them to detect detail from considerable distances. Imagine standing on the ground and trying to spot a small animal far away. Now imagine doing it from hundreds of feet above the landscape. The eagle isn't simply looking. It is scanning. Its brain is processing movement, distance, terrain, and potential targets. And movement is especially important. A small animal hiding in vegetation might be difficult to detect. But the instant it moves, the equation changes. This creates a terrifying problem for prey animals. Staying still may help them disappear. Moving may reveal them. And the eagle is watching from above. In some environments, this aerial perspective gives the predator a massive advantage. The landscape becomes a giant map. Rivers, trees, open fields, rocky slopes. Every feature can become part of the hunting strategy. But we're only getting started. Because some eagles don't just hunt prey, they hunt other hunters. And what happens next reveals one of the most ruthless survival strategies in the sky. Stay until the end. Because the final hunting, behavior, is one of the most extreme examples of predator instinct you'll ever see. 5. Eagles can steal food. Why spend energy catching dinner if someone else already caught it? This is where nature gets interesting. Some eagles are known to engage in food theft, also called kleptoparasitism. Instead of capturing prey themselves, a bird may attempt to take food from another animal. Imagine a smaller bird spending precious energy catching a fish. It finally succeeds. Then suddenly, an eagle appears. The eagle may chase, pressure, or intimidate the other bird until it drops the food. The eagle gets the meal. The smaller bird gets nothing. From a human perspective, this can look like robbery. From an evolutionary perspective, it's simply another strategy for obtaining calories. And calories matter. Flying is expensive. Maintaining a large body is expensive. Raising chicks is expensive. Every successful meal provides energy that can be used for survival and reproduction. So if stealing food is sometimes easier than catching it yourself, natural selection can favor the behavior. But there is an important detail. Food theft isn't risk-free. The other animal can fight back. The food can be lost. The chase consumes energy. So once again, the eagle has to make a calculation.